Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant pays tribute to former Goa Governor Mridula Sinha. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant shared following pictures on social media along with a message. Here's what CM posted. Paid tributes to late Srimati Mridula Sinha ji, former Governor of Goa. She will always be remembered for her dedicated service to the nation. Former Goa Governor and veteran Bharatiya Janata Party leader Mridula Sinha breathed her last on Wednesday, barely 10 days before her 78th birthday. She had administered the oath-taking ceremonies of late Manohar Parrikar, Lakshmikant Parsekar and Pramod Sawant as Chief Ministers of Goa. Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoled her death and hailed the BJP leader for her efforts towards public service. Here's what PM Narendra Modi tweeted. Srimati Mridula Sinha ji will be remembered for her efforts towards public service. She was also a proficient writer, making extensive contributions to the world of literature as well as culture. Anguished by her demise. Condolences to her family and admirers. Om Shanti. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Wednesday too expressed deep sorrow over the demise of veteran party worker. Here's what Amit Shah tweeted. The death of former Goa Governor and senior BJP leader Mridula Sinha ji is very sad. She worked for the nation, society and organization throughout her life. She was also an accomplished writer who will also be remembered for her writing. My deepest condolences to her family. Om Shanti, the Home Minister said. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also condoled the passing away of former Goa Governor Mridula Sinha. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following. It is really shocking to learn about the sad demise of Srimati Mridula Sinha ji, the former Governor of Goa. She was a tall leader with extensive work at grassroots, yet an immense passion for art and literature. For me, she always came across as motherly figure. Her passing away is a great loss to the nation. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.